Your Otofonix hearing device is ready to wear out of the box, but first we need to insert a battery. When you open the clamshell box, you will find the hearing device as well as an individual battery. Take the battery and remove the sticky tab and let the battery air activate for at least 1 to 2 minutes. While the battery is air activating, open the battery compartment door using your nail to pull the tab on the battery door to open it. A quick note about the battery. You want to line up the positive side of the battery with the plus symbol on the battery compartment door. Since the plus symbol can be difficult to see on both the battery and the battery compartment door, if the door is difficult to close, do not force it. The battery may be inserted backwards. Once the battery door is closed, the device is turned on. To turn the device off, simply open the battery door. Thank you for taking the time to watch this Otofonix instructional video. If you have any questions that weren't answered in this video, we do have many other videos available to help you with your device. Likewise, you can always call a product support specialist. We're always standing by to help.